Hi, this is Barb with the Tech Teach Grow team with another tip of the week. This is a great tech tip for those of you who are using Google Forms as a form of an assessment. Once you have created your assessment, you'll want to go and double check the settings. And in the settings, if you haven't already seen this toggled over, it might look like this. You'll want to make sure it's toggled to make it a quiz. And if you are using like short answer responses or questions where you'll have to go in and give the students a grade, make sure that later after manual review is checked or that one's the one that's chosen, because that way students won't get a score with some zeros in there because you haven't scored them yet. This is a great way to make sure that your students do not get a little bit stressed out over their grade and start contacting you when you haven't finished grading the quiz yet.